In this video, I'm about to show you how to generate a video with only text on Jimeng AI. First, open your web browser on your mobile device and go to the official Jimeng AI website, jimengai.org. Next, scroll down the homepage to explore the features and tools available on the site. Now tap on the relevant link to access more options or resources. Here you'll find various categories such as AI graphics, AI video, and AI music. To create a video with text, go to the AI video section. Select the option for generating text-based videos. You may find templates or prompts that guide you to input your text. Once you're ready, log in for additional functionality. Tap on Login at the top right corner of the website. Agree to the terms by checking the circle of agree, then tap on Login again. Enter your phone number to log in and access all the tools. Now input your text in the designated area, choose your preferred style, and let the AI generate the video. Once the process is complete, you can preview and download the text-based video. That's how you can create a video with only text using Jimeng AI. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.